Now we are going to verify Boyle's law with a given problem. What is the effect of pressure on volume of the gas? This is we are going to verify by the given problem. Here they give parameters and we are going to calculate the missing parameter. In figure A, they gave P1 1 atmosphere, V1 1 decimeter cube, T 298 Kelvin. Then in B, P2 2 atmosphere, V2 we are going to calculate, T is same 298 Kelvin. And in figure 3, P3 we are going to calculate, V3 0.25 decimeter cube and T 298 Kelvin. Using the Boyle's law, we are going to calculate the missing parameters. According to Boyle's law, at constant temperature for a given mass of a gas at constant temperature is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, that is equal to P3 V3. Now we take P1 V1 is equal to 1 atmosphere into 1 decimeter cube. Then P2 V2 is 2 atmosphere into V2 and P3 V3 is P3 into 0.25 decimeter cube. Now we pick P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So what may be 1 atmosphere into 1 decimeter cube is equal to 2 atmosphere into V2. We need V2. So we bring the rest of the things to the right hand side. So what happened? V2 is equal to 1 atmosphere into 1 decimeter cube divided by 2 atmosphere. Then we can cancel 1 atmosphere and 2 atmosphere. So the denominator we have 2. So what is the V2? 1 decimeter cube divided by 2. It becomes 0.5 decimeter cube. Now we calculated the value of V2. Then we move to the calculation of V3. So we equate the P1 V1 with P3 V3. So 1 atmosphere into 1 decimeter cube is equal to P3 into 0.25 decimeter cube. We need B3. So rest of the things we bring to the opposite side. So P3 is equal to 1 atmosphere into 1 decimeter cube divided by 0.25 decimeter cube. Now we cancel both the decimeter cube. 1 by 0.25, so it becomes 4. So P3 is equal to 4 atmosphere. Now we calculated the missing parameters V2 and P3 using the Boyle's. In Boyle's law, we compare the pressure and volume. Now we move to the Charles law. Here we comparing the volume and temperature. That is volume temperature relationship. The relationship between volume of a gas and its temperature was examined by J.A.C. Charles. He observed that for a fixed mass of a gas, at constant pressure, the volume is directly proportional to its temperature. It is directly proportional to its temperature. So V is directly proportional to T, then V is equal to KT. Mathematically, it can be represented as at constant pressure and number of moles, that is N, V is equal to KT. What is the meaning? If there is increase in volume, there should be increase in temperature. If there is increase in temperature, there should be increase in volume. V by T is equal to constant. Then for the same at a constant pressure, we can write as V1 T1 is equal to V2 T2, that is constant. Now we are going to confirm the relation between the volume and temperature by air-filled balloon in cold and hot water. If a balloon is moved from an ice-cold water bath to a boiled water bath, the temperature of the gas increases. Yes, the ice-cold water is very cold. The same balloon is moved to boiled water, so it is very hot. There is an increase in the temperature. As a result, the gas molecule inside the balloon move faster and the gas expands because of the fast movement of the molecules in balloon. Gas expands. It is given in the figure. First, the ice water, the balloon in the ice water, it is very small, but the same balloon in the boiled water, it is very big. Compared to ice water, it is big. And because of the expansion of the gas molecule. If we compare the molecules in ice water, it is very closely arranged. But in the boiling water, it is arranged very expanded way. So there is increase in the volume. How the volume varies with the temperature. Now we are going to confirm with the graph. We are plotting the volume of the gas against temperature at a given pressure. It is given in the figure. We are plotting the temperature versus volume. We took the temperature in x-axis, that is in Kelvin, and also in degree Celsius. And also we are taking the volume at y-axis. From the graph, it is clear that the volume of the gas linearly increases with temperature at a given pressure. Yes, at a given pressure, there is increase the volume with temperature. Such lines are called as isobars. It can be expressed by the straight line equation. We already know V equal to mt plus C. Here T is the temperature, that is both in degree Celsius and also in Kelvin. And M and C are constant, and M and C are